OnePlus has announced the Ace 2 Pro, its latest flagship smartphone, and it comes with a unique feature that is sure to be a hit with users who live in wet climates: Rainwater touch control. This feature allows you to use your phone even in pouring rain, without having to worry about your touchscreen not registering your touches. Rainwater touch control works by using a custom chip and improved touch algorithms to detect your finger movements even when they are wet. This means that you can still text, make calls, and use your apps even if you are caught in a downpour. OnePlus says that Rainwater touch control has been rigorously tested, and it works in all types of rain conditions. The company even put the Ace 2 Pro to the test by having it rain on for 30 minutes straight, and the touchscreen still worked perfectly. The Ace 2 Pro is not the only smartphone with a water-resistant touchscreen. However, Rainwater touch control is unique in that it allows you to use your phone even in very heavy rain. This makes it a great choice for users who live in wet climates or who frequently find themselves outdoors in the rain. In addition to Rainwater touch control, the Ace 2 Pro also has a number of other features that make it a compelling option for flagship smartphone buyers. It has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, up to 12 GB of RAM, up to 512 GB of storage, and a 50MP triple-lens rear camera system. The Ace 2 Pro is expected to be released in China in the coming weeks, and it is likely to be released in other markets soon after. Pricing has not yet been announced, but it is expected to be similar to other flagship smartphones from OnePlus. If you are looking for a smartphone that can withstand the elements, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is a great option.